Ethan, a curious young boy, wandered deep into an enchanted forest one day, where he discovered a mysterious, glowing seed nestled among the roots of ancient trees. The seed pulsed with a soft, golden light, and as he held it in his hand, Ethan felt an inexplicable pull towards it. Excited by his find, Ethan hurried back to his small village and carefully planted the seed in a patch of soil near his cottage. As soon as he covered it with earth, the ground beneath began to glow faintly, as if the seed was awakening something magical. The next morning, Ethan awoke to a wondrous sight. A small tree had sprouted where he had planted the seed. But this was no ordinary sapling, its leaves shimmered with an ethereal glow, and its trunk sparkled in the sunlight. Ethan was awestruck, knowing that he had found something truly special. Over the following days, the tree grew rapidly, soon towering over the village. Its branches stretched out wide, providing cool shade and a